for macaroni.
What is it this time, human scum?
I'm getting kinda hungry.
What do you suppose you shall do about that, Babathy? Are you in the mood for another round of the extremely appetizing Burglar King?
Nah, we've been going there for like the last 267 days. I think it's time we switch up our schedule a little bit.
Babathy, do you suggest that we edit the daily routine we have so clearly placed for such a large amount of time? A routine in which we have both non-verbally agreed to follow for the rest of our mortal lives on this planet?
Yeah,
for sure, bro. I'm down.
Sweet. I'm kinda in the mood for some little sneezers.
Say what now?
Order 96, your order is fixed.
Yo, wait, you didn't do the thing!
Huh?
This is Little Sneezers! If you don't sneeze on the customer's face, then my order is free!
Achoo.
And the meal. Yo, radical! Excuse me, kind sir!
Hello, how may I help you?
No, not you again! I refuse to serve you!
Alright. Now, what seems to be the problem out here?
Hey, Mr. Manager?
Mr. Manager? My name is Sir Sneezer.
Sorry, I get it mixed up with my last boss.
That's alright. Now, Jogan, why do you refuse to serve these worthy customers? You do know that the customer is always right.
I know, but these guys are absolute HE double hockey stick to work with. You don't understand, man. Here, watch this.
How may I take your order? Let's see.
Just wait for it, you'll see.
I'll just get a plain cheese pizza. What's supposed to be happening right now?
Wait, that wasn't...
This seems to be a completely normal order.
No, I swear. These are the same guys that gave me an absolute headache back when I worked at Burglar King. Okay, well, that short guy never gave me as absurd of orders, but this loud guy did.
You're calling me short? I prefer the term vertically challenged.
I'm not loud, you imbecile!
Ha! The customer is always right. You are an imbecile.
No, I didn't mean it like that. Please, just give me your order.
I think I'll have the large pepperoni pizza, please.
But that's not your actual order. What do you want?
I told you! The large pepperoni pizza, please.
This is a load of bullcrap. Jogan, get back to work. But, take that man's order or you're fired. Good golly.
Approximately 10 minutes later. Order 97, you're in Little Sneezer's heaven. Your cheese and pepperoni pizzas.
Thank you, kind sir.
Actually, do you have any chicken wings in stock? Well, yes, but that'll cost extra.
Get me my wings now!
Uh-oh.
And an additional meatball sub drenched in cane sauce!
Please, sir!
With a side of animal-style fries!
Sir, this isn't California, we're not in and out!
I do not care! Get me my crumble cookie now or else!
Please spare my life! Ooh, can I get a firehouse sub?
And a quadrilateral-shaped beef burger for my wife, Wendy!
I have a family!
By any chance, could I have extra Polynesian sauce on that?
No, you can't!
Oh. Okay then.
What?
Come on, Babathy. That was all I had to do?